Hello to all you fire alarm and siren fans on YouTube. It is FS Thunderbolt Fan 1000 here with another siren video. Today we are at my grandma's once again, and you know what it means when we're at my grandma's. Siren update. But what siren? A new siren. Here is my new STL-10. It'll be mine for a little bit. Not that long, because I'm going to sell it to a different village in need, because I don't need another siren. There's the Sterling M5. 500 motor still needs to be worked on, bearings changed out and all that good jazz. Over there is the 500 intake. Well, not, yeah, it's the intake. That's the horn, still all the Sterling parts. There's the STL-10 intake cone and mounting bracket. Model 2 chopper. A lot of good siren goodies here. Miscellaneous 500 pieces. But let's go back to the star of the show, the 500, not the 500, but the STL-10. So I bought this siren last week, a week ago tomorrow. It came from Belgium, Wisconsin, where it was in service until recently, up until about 2018, beginning of 2018, where it was replaced by a new T128, which I will put a video of it in my description below, of the first test it ever did. But I won it on Tuesday, and I went and picked it up Friday with Elisa. It was bitter cold, and in order to get it to fit in her Honda Pilot, or whatever she drives, I had to take it apart, so I was busy taking off 3 of the cones. Here are 2 of them. The other one's at my house, because I wanted to put it on display. So I screwed up the mesh a little bit. The mesh is bent a little bit in some places, so I'm going to have to get some new mesh for them. But that's not big of a deal. So the bearings are pretty good, even though I'm going to change the bearings out. And I'll give it a little bit of a run-up for you guys here. So let me just put you guys down. Maybe. Let me see if I can find like a piece of wood. This is the runner-upper. So that goes in there. So I'm going to use that to spin it up. And we'll see if this is enough for you guys to stay propped up maybe a little bit. Yeah, there you go. There you go. And I'll try and stay out to the one side. So she spins pretty smooth. This is a 22-inch diameter rotor, when the 500 that uses the Model 5's rotor is an 18-inch. But the thing is, the surface, not circumference, but the area here that it's pulling air in is the same diameter as the 500s, or Model 5s. So I don't know why it is louder or whatever, but there's the ports. Surprisingly, it makes a fair bit of noise just running it up that little bit. Yeah, there's the M5. I suppose we could give you guys a little bit of a run-up of that, because I never really made a video on it. I did a little bit of a live stream, but that kind of did not turn out so well, because we don't have very good internet out here. But, yeah, I'll run her up a little bit for you guys. It is 816 port, this one. So that's the 8-port side. So this one will be restored after the 500. So the 500 is going to take a little break. This one's got to get done first. Then the 500. Then the M5. M5 shouldn't take too long because it's in fairly decent shape. Yeah, she spins forever. But yeah, the STL-10 is pretty cool, pretty slick, pretty good purchase. The other thing is, it says it's 2-phase. If you look at the ID tag here, I'll try and squeeze you guys in. I don't know if you'll be able to read that, but it says 2-phase, but yet it says 208, 240, and 480. So, and this motor looks like a standard Federal Signal 3-phase motor, so that's why I'm a little concerned that it was just a misprint, or hopeful that it was just a misprint, and not just that it's actually a 2-phase motor. because I don't think it is. It looks like a 3-phase. So, I don't know. It's probably just a 3-phase and they did a misprint, hopefully. Because the thing is, it's 3-lead too. It's a 3-lead, well, we got 3 leads coming off, so that signifies 3-phase. It uses a 3-phase motor starter, but they did use a single-phase disconnect. So I don't know, maybe they just weren't smart and didn't use a 3-phase disconnect and just used a single-phase disconnect. But the Siren is 3-phase, I don't know. One of these days, in a little bit here, I'll take off the covers and see if it's a 9-lead motor or not. But I'm 90% sure it is. 90% sure this is 3-phase. And then hopefully it will come to a community in Sheboygan County in need that I have in mind. Then she'll see service again, because that'd be good. Be nice if it could see service again. And then other people might want to come and record it. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Siren update. New video dropping Wednesday at noon. I'm not going anywhere though, but it's scheduled to be posted at noon. It's edited, ready to go. And if you go to my Facebook page, I have a Centerville Fan 1000, you'll see the photo album of the Siren, one of the Sirens I recorded, so you guys could probably figure out which one it is. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the Sirens, guys. Thanks for watching. If you have any suggestions on future videos or what you want to see more of, what you guys want to see less of, just let me know. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and stay safe.